Suddenly all these maintenance requests that were up on the wall, now they're on our phone.
The operators can submit work orders anytime they have a problem.
We do use QR codes on all of our equipment.
You can take a picture and show exactly what the problem is.
Being able to take pictures makes it easier, because if you tell me there's a leaking pipe, yeah, probably. Which one?
Limble automatically will tell them, hey, your task has now been completed.
Once it's done, the person who submitted it gets an email saying it's done.
One of the things that's really valuable to them is having a library and repository of all the assets. No one wants to carry a binder full of manuals. If they can scan that code and get the information that they need right then, that's huge.
Being able to put all of our manuals accessible out on the floor has been huge.
And then within the attachment section of the asset, we've given exploded diagrams of everything. Really, it's just making data accessible.
All that at your fingertips. Why would you not want it?
Reducing the complexity of the operation is really important. Being able to just have a pop-up, that says, okay, PMs, and here's your instructions.
They're logging their time, they're logging what it costs for parts.
And I can just have it on my phone, start the time, put it in my pocket, it keeps track of my time as I wander around doing stuff.
It's saving us a bunch of time, and it's making us better at what we do.